Today I'm going to show you how I like to use these VOFirst polishing pads. So what we have here is some hazing in the clear coat. I was being a dingus and left my coffee on the back of the truck here, pulled away, and the coffee spilled down, and I wasn't able to clean it for a couple days, and that was a mistake because the coffee ended up kind of etching the clear coat a little bit, probably because it's kind of acidic. If we look in the clear coat here, you can see there's kind of like a white haze that comes all the way down here where the coffee spilled. So here we've got the 6-inch pad kit. The great thing about this kit is it comes with 8 pads that cover a wide range of different firmnesses for whatever project you're working on. The pads themselves are a sturdy foam, and then they have your Velcro on the back so they adhere nice and easy to your polisher. Every brand has their own different design on here. Ultimately, you want just a little bit of texture in order to hold the product, and these have that. And here we can see all the different functions of the different pads. White is for removing debris and stains, etc. So no matter what defects you need to polish out on a vehicle, this is going to have the proper pad for you. Big thanks to the brand for sending this out to review. And I'm actually just remembering now, we have some deeper scratches on this same panel from when I was trying to clean the top of the truck and the hose hit the side of the car. So we're actually going to hit that first with some Meguiar's M105 on the thicker cutting pad. So I do love this Meguiar's stuff, but it sheds a lot. It throws a lot of dust around, and that Lustro stuff we're going to use next does not. All right, so with our green pad, that almost totally cleaned up all of the scratches we had here from the hose. It's totally gone. The paint looks super clean. That Meguiar's stuff you can use as a single stage polish too if you want. We're going to go ahead and do the finishing polish over the top to clear the rest of the coffee stains off, but it looks really nice so far. These VOFirst pads are reusable. You just want to make sure that you wash them right away when you're done. All right, so here we are all finished up. No more sign of coffee stains or anything else. Look at that. Hey, handsome. It really looks like a mirror now. I think even on camera you can tell just the difference in paint quality. It's so clean, there's nothing for the camera to focus on at all. No more scratches, no more coffee stains. Okay, now with the sun out, I had to do one more clip to show you how much better this looks. When we come over here, a black car, as most of you know, when you come up to it in the sun, you're seeing all kinds of imperfections. Totally gone. It just looks like a mirror. Now, here's where we did not polish. You can see all the hairline scratches and haze easily show up in the camera. If we come back over to where we polished, nothing, just mirror. Actually super impressed with these pads.